Hello, my topic is SQL aggregate function. What is aggregate function in SQL? Aggregate function helps to summarize the large volumes of data. The function can produce a single value for an entire group or table. They operate on sets of rows and return results based on groups of rows. List of aggregate functions: count function, sum function, average function, max function, and minimum function. Average function. The SQL average function calculates the average values of a column of a numeric type. It returns the average of all non-null values. This is the syntax of average function. The aggregate function SQL max is used to find the maximum value or highest value of a certain column or expression. This function is useful to determine the largest of all selected values of a column. This is the syntax of max function. Next is minimum function. It is the direct opposite of max function. The aggregate function SQL minimum is used to find the minimum value or lowest value of a column or expression. This function is useful to determine the smallest of all selected values of a column. This is the syntax of minimum function.